Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends. Today we're going to do a really short video. I'm going to show you guys how I dress up these really adorable little chocolate bars that I got for my coworkers for Easter. So I did a whole bunch of these earlier today, and I thought these just turned out so cute. I love them. I think they're adorable, as you can see there. Super fun little adorable chocolate bar. Now, I originally had the idea of decorating these chocolate bars with the wax seal that we created on our last video. These are the ones that I just finished making. I am obsessed with making these wax seals. They are so pretty. I absolutely love them to death. They're just so beautiful. If you guys want to learn on how to make these really simple seal wax, I will link the tutorial at the bottom of this video so that you can learn to create these really easy and affordable wax seal. But I changed my mind. I'm not using these for these little chocolate bars. I'm using them for another project that we're going to be doing in a few days. So let's get started. This is going to be super duper quick and super duper easy. We're going to create a few of these adorable little bars. Now, I got these, I don't remember. I want to say that I got these maybe Target, or I don't really recall where I got these little adorable, maybe the Dollar Tree. I don't really remember where I got these, but the reason why I love these and I grabbed so many of them is because they're little tiny chocolate bar, and you get 4 in a pack. So that's really affordable, especially if you have like a large group of friends that you want to gift like a cute little, simple gift for Easter. This will be really fun, and also it will save you money because you get 4 little bars in one little pack, which I love, right? So I'm going to show you. I have here these 4 that I'm going to create. Now, you can use whatever you want. You can use ribbon, you can use twine, you can use lace, you can use paper, you can use fabric. Whatever you want, you can use to decorate these adorable little bars. I'm going to use this ribbon that I got while I was thrift shopping a while ago, and I just love the color, and I think it's so Easter inspired, so I'm going to do that. Now, I also am going to do a little trick because I love these colors. I'm going to cut out these little strips so that I can make like a little belly around the chocolate bar. Here I already have this cut out. This is already cut out to size. All right, and so you can again use whatever you have handy. I also love these Easter, what do you call these? Easter decorative mesh that they have. I love these. You can use this if you want. You can use ribbon, whatever you want, guys, whatever you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make little strips of these little fabrics. I have 4, so I have exactly 4 little strips, which is perfect, right? So let me, because I feel like I'm off camera. So let's put these bars over here, and let me move up a little. I think that's better. Okay, so I'm going to basically just do a little slit here, a little slit here, 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 and here. And then I'm going to rip this with my hands, and I just love that little old kind of like wrinkly look to the fabric. That's the look that I'm going for. If you don't like that look, then just cut it with your scissors and you'll get a nice, sharp, clean look. But I love my little vintagey, kind of like torn look to my little strip, so I'm going to keep it like this, okay? So I'm just going to clean out these little strings real quick. All right, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my chocolate, okay? This is super duper easy, so simple. And I'm just going to wrap the little belly around my chocolate, okay? See? And then I'm going to crisscross this one over here. And I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue right there. Just a dab of hot glue. And then we're going to bring the band over this way so that the hot glue can adhere. And that will give you a nice little band for your chocolate. Okay? Let me bring you down a little bit more closer. Again, this is super duper easy, and this is great if you have like a lot of these to make. It doesn't take a lot of time, as you can see. I'm going to wrap the little band around my chocolate. Come around, and then you're going to add a little bit of hot glue on one end, and you're going to fold the other end to the hot glue. Hold it, and that's going to seal it. Now, when they need to eat the chocolate, all they got to do is just basically just slide this over, and that's not going to interfere, right? That's cute. I love that. Okay, another one here. Again, wrap it. I really love this idea. I have so many more last minute Easter videos for you guys. I'm gonna try to post 1 or 2 videos for the next few days because I know that Easter is literally next week, and so I want to kind of do these like last minute kind of videos in case that for some reason you guys are, you know, not able to gift little presents to your friends because you're working and you have no time to go get anything at the store, and you want to create something. Hopefully these videos will give you some idea and some inspiration, right? All right, a little bit of hot glue, and then we're gonna cross this over, and now we have all 4 of these adorable little chocolate bars already made. See that? The next thing and the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add these really fun little ribbon flowers to my chocolate in the center. Again, I was originally going to add the seal wax that we made, but I changed my mind. I'm going to use this for another project. These beautiful, gorgeous, vintagey looking ribbons I get at the thrift shop. I've been getting these forever. Every time I go there, I grab like 1 or 2 of these little baggies, and I just collect them in this mason jar, and I have so many of them. I really love these like vintagey ribbons because it just gives such a nice look to a finished project. So all I'm gonna do is just hot glue my vintage little flower and just put it right in the center. Now, Michaels sells these pre-made flowers already, and they have tons of these little adorable ribbon flowers that you can actually purchase at Michaels. So just go by the ribbon section or go by the wedding section, and you will find that they do sell these cute, adorable little ribbon flowers that you can use. Or just use buttons, use a sticker, use fake flowers. I mean, you can really use whatever you have at home. I don't suggest for you to go out and get anything because the whole purpose of this video is last minute, right? So if it's a last minute project, you have no time to go to the store and buy anything. So just look around the house, and I'm sure that you can find something that you can use to create this a really fun little banner or little belly band for your chocolate. And you can also use this idea for a regular size chocolate as well. And my friends, that is how I create these super duper adorable little chocolate bars for Easter. Look how cute these turned out, guys. Look at that. These turned out so cute. I just love them. I love them. They are super duper adorable. And I can't wait to bring them into work and gift these to my beautiful coworkers. They're just going to love these. I think they're just so cute. All right, my loves. So that is just how I create these really fun little bars. I have another project that I want to show you guys, which is we're going to also be dressing up these Hershey's cookies and cream bunnies. I got for the girls and I got for the boys. We're going to be dressing these up in the next video. And we're also going to be dressing up my favorite, you guys know how obsessed I am with these cupcakes that are the holiday inspired cupcakes. I love these. So I'm going to also dress these up in the next video. Okay, guys? So stay tuned for more little DIY quick last minute projects. I hope that this video kind of gave you some ideas and some inspiration on how to create that really fun, inexpensive little gift for your friends, co-workers, or family. Have a fantastic weekend. I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting some pictures of this beautiful little project. And I also post some pictures of upcoming projects. So make sure that you stay tuned for that as well. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, and I will see you soon.